Hello, so we have a question here where we have to solve for x. So first I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides, so secant 3x plus pi equals minus 2. And we know that secant is just 1 over cosine. So if we apply that 1 over cosine 3x plus pi equals minus 2, then we can just simply move the cosine to the numerator and then just do minus a half. So now we're left in a weird situation. What should we do here? So what we're going to do is we're going to apply the compound angle identity. So cosine 3x cosine pi minus sine 3x sine pi is equal to minus a half. Now let's look here. Cosine pi, well, that's -1, and sine pi, that's 0. So we're left with minus cosine 3x is equal to minus a half, which means we can just make both sides positive. So cosine 3x equals a half. Okay, so let's say that 3x equals theta, so cosine theta equals a half. So if we draw the unit circle, we know that that's there and there, where this is pi over 3 radians, and this angle here is 5 pi over 3. Okay, now if we consider that 3x equals theta, now we can do x equals pi over 9, and x equals 5 pi over 3. Oh, by the way, our parameters are x is more than 0 and x is less than pi. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. Those are our parameters. And both of these are, so far, they are, sorry, this is supposed to be over 9, my bad. Both of these so far are within our parameters. So now let's find other solutions. So we know the period is 2 pi over 3. So 2 pi over 3. So if we added 2 pi over 3 to this answer, that would be not within the boundary conditions. And if we subtracted 2 pi over 3, let's see, actually that might work. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually add 2 pi over 3 to pi over 9. So that would be 9, that would be 6, so that would equal 7 pi over 9. That's within our parameters. X equals 7 pi over 9. And these are our 3 solutions. You could test by adding the period to our previous solutions, but nothing else would get a new solution. Thank you.